Hey everyone, this is an introduction video for matplotlib. Today we'll just do a simple plot using matplotlib. For that we'll have to import matplotlib.pyplot, and let's just name that as plot. Let's also import numpy to generate some arrays. To generate the x-axis array, let's use nb.linspace like that, and which takes in the lower and the upper bounds. Let's give those, and then the number of points it needs to generate. Let's give those as 50. Let's also generate the y array. It needs to be plotted. Linspace 5,32. Let's also generate 50 points. It's important that both these arrays have the same length. Now you can go ahead and plot, provide x and y values, and finally to display the plot you'll have to use the show method like that. Let's go ahead and run this code, and as you can see here, the figure shows the arrays as provided. Now let us also set a few more attributes in your plot. For example, if you would like to set the x label, you can use the x label method, just like that. Let's name that x label for now, and also give y label as y label, and also let's provide a title. Let's call this example 1. Now if you would like to give lower and upper bounds for your plot, you can use the excellent method like that, and provide the lower and upper bounds. Let's give that from 0, let's give that from 0 to 50. And also give the y limits from 0 to 50. Also, before we plot this, if you would like to mark each point, you can go ahead and give the color and the marker that you would like to show. Let's go ahead and execute this code, and oops, ylim is not defined. Sorry about that. Alright, so there we go. We have all the points. Now let's say that you would like to have multiple plots within the same plot. You could do that by just editing this array. Let me give that and y times 1.2, and let's give a different marker this time. Let's give b like that, and let's close the previous plot and run the button command, and there we go. So this way you can keep adding as many plots as you like under the same method, and have multiple plots within the same plot. That's about it for this tutorial. See you guys in the next video.